To take the screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, you've got actually three methods. The first one and the fastest method is to grab your phone and use the two buttons combination, power button and the volume down button. So you will have to just click on the both buttons together and the screen will flash, and here the screenshot was taken. Another method to take the screenshot is to use shortcut on the quick settings. So you'll have to open your quick settings, then click on this icon, select edit for full list, and now find take screenshot icon, click and hold it and drag it to the main page. For example, put it between the mobile hotspot and the power saving mode. Click done, and now when you go back, open it and click to take the screenshot. And now the screenshot was taken. And the last method to take the screenshot is to swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right one with your palm, like this. And as you can see, the screenshot was also taken. Now, if you are looking for those screenshots, they will be actually located in the gallery. So open the gallery, go into the albums, select screenshots, and here you can find them. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.